see our desk, there have 5 design snap buttons and there are 3 designs of snap bracelets. And for the 3, this is antique silver tone with black enamel and flower designs. It weighs just about toggle clasp. So this kind of snap jewelry brand like Ginger Snappers and some things. So very beautiful. This bracelet has such style with its flowers. It holds one 18 to 20mm snapper charm buttons. Okay, we will show you one by one, and I will show you how it is look like. When I wear this one, so we choose one of them. Every time we buy one jewelry, we will just headache to pay more money for another jewelry. So we will choose another one. But the snap jewelries can only use snap button. You can just replace them with the new designs. And it is also price also not so expensive or very cheaper price. And such one, this 3-piece snap jewelry only need you $1.72. Only need you $1.72. You can got very beautiful things and change snap buttons. Only need snap in and snap out. Very easy, and then you can change them depending on your mood and match to your outfit like this. And such kind of design also easy for us to use our beautiful snappers. We have more snapper designs, snap button designs. This only one of piece. Okay, so if you like, you also can go to our website to the very beautiful things for you. Very nice and elegant for us, beautiful things. So what designs you like that you just interesting or you are like, you can contact with us. In our website have more kind of designs, and this Ginger Snappers are whole new kinds of interchangeable jewelry that features fashion snapper button like charm. You snap in out of the stylish bracelets, rings, and more. Okay, so if you like, you can choose one of them to purchase.